Hey guys, Tim and Shana from Punk Rope, and we're going to present a little challenge to you that is based on our Jump Rope Instructor Certification. It involves 10 different basic steps. We call them the core steps that all of our instructors have to master. And Shana's going to do them in a sequence that she picked, which is best for her. You might want to rearrange that sequence for yourself. She's going to perform each step for 10 seconds with virtually no time to transition to the next. I'll be calling out the steps as we go so she knows what's coming next. So all told, it's going to be 1 minute 50 seconds of jumping. And her goal is going to be to do this as flawlessly as she can. Same for you. So minimize the misses. And then another time maybe we'll run this challenge for more time, and then also we'll run it another time for speed, and that'll be based on reps instead of time. Okay, so here are the moves. Shana's going to show you the moves just really quick, just a couple of jumps for each, and then we'll get into it. So here are the 10 jumps. One is basic bounce. Okay. Next one is going to be a one-legged jump, and the challenge here is not sinking too much into the opposite hip. The third jump is alternating feet, a little bit of a jog. Number 4 we call swing, swing, jump, side swing, open. Number 5 is going to be double unders, 2 rotations for 1 jump. 6 will be straddles, so that's feet apart, feet together. Number 7 is the Criss Cross.
That's going to be the
And 8 will be the scissors, sliding the feet forward and back. Number 9 is the skier, side to side. And Shana's going to finish with the bell. Okay, so this is a sequence that works well for her. For you, it might end up looking very, very different. You want to be able to get through all 1 minute 50 without being, completely toast. So, which you might be anyway. Okay, so I'm on the watch, and oh, that's our doorbell, but that's okay. It's probably just delivery. Anyway, we're going to start it with basic bounce, and the way I'm going to do this is 3, 2, 1, go. So Shana will start, and then I'll name the next step, which is the one-leg jump, and I'll say one leg in 3, 2, 1, switch. I'm going to do my best. We have not rehearsed this. Okay, basic bounce, 3, 2, 1, go. One leg in 3, 2, 1, switch. Other leg in 3, 2, 1, switch. Nice. Alternating feet in 3, 2, 1, and switch. Just doing good. Swing, swing, jump in 3, 2, 1, and switch. Double unders in 3, 2, 1, and go. Straddles in 3, 2, 1, switch. Straddles, good. Criss Cross in 3, 2, 1, switch. Awesome. Scissors in 3, 2, 1, switch. Skier in 3, 2, 1, switch. Bell in 3, 2, 1, switch.
I missed.
Ah, one miss. That is pretty darn good. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Amazing. Was that only one miss?
I think so.
Oh my goodness.
Besides the one during the practice.
Oh, well, that doesn't count. Performance counts. So that was 1:50. 10 jumps. One Shana did twice because it was single leg on the left leg as support and single leg on the right leg as support. And I don't know how many reps she did, but she missed one time. My guess is over 200, probably. Oh,
yeah, well, the
certainly.
doubles are strange because it's like
yeah,
turn, so they're
but probably more than two. Probably more than 200. Was that very challenging? Was that pretty cardiovascularly tough, or not?
It was a medium high.
Medium high. Okay, I know. I know. For me, it would be like extra high. Anyway, guys, give that a shot at home. Let us know how you do. If you have any questions, jot them down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, tell your friends, visit punkrope.com, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us.